Donald Trump reiterated that Indian exports will be subjected to 25% tariff. The Prime Minister, while speaking at an event in Varanasi, emphasized on the importance of going vocal for local. Prime Minister Modi said, and I quote, "All countries are focusing on their individual interests. India is going to become the third biggest economy in the world, and that is why India will have to stay alert as far as its economic interests are concerned." He in fact added that political parties should leave their differences aside and instill a resolution for Swadeshi products and buy only those things that are made by Indians. Remember, the United States has announced a 25% tariff on Indian exports effective from the 7th of August as part of a broader trade measure affecting nearly 70 countries. This executive order, spearheaded by President Trump, aims to address trade imbalances and pressure nations that do not align with the United States' economic and security interests.
हम आर्थिक प्रगति की बात कर रहे हैं तो मैं आपका ध्यान वैश्विक हालातों पर भी ले जाना चाहता हूं। आज दुनिया की अर्थव्यवस्था कई आशंकाओं से गुजर रही है। अस्थिरता का माहौल है। ऐसे में दुनिया के देश अपने अपने हितों पर फोकस कर रहे हैं। भारत भी दुनिया की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बनने जा रहा है। अब हम कुछ भी खरीदें तो एक ही तराजू होना चाहिए। हम उन चीजों को खरीदेंगे जिसे बनाने में किसी न किसी भारतीय का पसीना बहा है।